my YouTube fam. Today, and not the ZXP, but doing my little Dark Knight UD replica test fit. So, to see I put everything on. Feels alright. Just trying to get a good riding position, because I'm going to be going to New York Comic Con with the gear. So, it does get hot, especially in the cowl, because there's no like air vents. It's polyurethane, and to collect the sweat I'm gonna need like an underliner or so. But just wanted to get it on a 360 video to kind of get like a good gauge, get like the back and such. But torso area, looking in the mirror, just trying to see how everything is gonna fit. But it moves a bit, but when I bought it, it was kind of, this is like an XXL, so it's a little bigger. It has some internal room to move, you know. Just the chest piece is gonna kind of be a little bit restricted, but yeah, definitely up here I'm gonna need something. But just a little test fitting, get ready for Comic-Con 2024. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna keep this one short. See ya. Continuation. So this is probably the helmet that I'm gonna use with it. This or the Predator Wolf. This one was provided to me from a battle buddy from Afghanistan, Anthony Palmer, down in the south. And you know, we were deployed together, and he hooked me up with this. And I'm thinking, you know, between this and the rest of the gear, like, this is again a test fitting. If you saw the entire suit, you'd be like, what the heck? You know, this is a legit UD replica version of the suit, and I do heat up rather quickly. So I did have an alternate helmet, the Hellbat from God of Props. So I might end up using that, so I could get it on and off rather easy. But you see, with that polyurethane helmet or the cowl, I sweat. You know, I'm gonna need something a little more breathable, but I'm gonna try this on. Alright, this doesn't look too bad. Actually, it's not bad at all. I also took the neck piece off. I just wanted to see what it would look like. Oh, and I have a nice field of view too, you know. But other than that, yeah, just doing the test fitting, squat, arm rotation. It feels alright. It feels good. I think I'll use this more so. It seems a little more practical, you know. But yeah, the neck piece and the cowl, just for short bursts, short iterations and stuff, because man, let me tell you, it will get hot. But this has the mesh, it's breathable, so when I go riding, it's not gonna be so bad, you know what I'm saying? But just a little preview. Gonna do like a 360. A lot of what I was scared of, because I gained so much weight, that I wasn't gonna fit in it, but got a good deal for it. UD replica, and I got this for a steal. The whole kit. The only thing I'm missing are the boots. That's about it. Matter of fact, let's see. We do have the Hellbat. That, and this is the more practical option, where I could. And shout out to my boy Chris Jones. He wanted to know if this was DOT approved. It is not. This one is, but it doesn't have that look, and as you can see, obviously by the size. But I figured let me try some stuff out with it. And again, God of Props hooked me up. Sergeant Palmer, thank you. So let me put this up. And lastly, I'll do this test fitting with this on. Ah, my eyes, can't see. Now y'all saw this one already. And this one has the lights on it and whatnot. So, and I can. Can't help myself. We'll do another test ride, but just wanted to get the fitting to see how this and that will go together. So, alright, gonna have to cut this up pretty good. Alright, got that on the saddle. Be back once I'm on the road. can still see. Now, if I wanted to ride around with it, I just have to be a little bit more careful. But it does look good, you know? But let me know what you think. This is going to be like a mix and match. Put my Predator Wolf with the little pointing, the original RZR helmet that I got. that kind of goes good with this setup. But we shall see, folks. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZX Predator. I'm outie. Peace.
Ha 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 ha!